What is going on, guys? GregglesTV. This is the Nest Hello Ring Doorbell. It goes for $229. You can buy it now everywhere, basically, except for Amazon. I got mine through Best Buy, and if you buy it through Best Buy, they'll actually come and install it for free. That's a win-win in my book. I don't have to do anything except buy it, and they bring it and install it. So it's really, again, a win-win. I'll link it down below if you want to pick it up. But I want to do a quick review for you guys. It's just like the Ring doorbell. So if someone rings it, it's going to go on and alert your phone, and you can talk back and forth with the person. It records 24/7 video if you sign up for Nest Aware. Otherwise, it just captures like screenshots, so make sure you sign up for Nest Aware, which costs at least $5 a month. But if you already have some Nest cameras, it's going to be another $3. Just look at their subscription plans. Otherwise, I want you to check out these videos that I have. One's daytime, and then one is nighttime, and you can kind of see what I'm talking about.
I don't know how to work the doorbell. It's on. I like that.
Hi.
Queen here. Queen here.
Careful when driving at the front side of the bulb. You don't want to turn all crazy.
Yeah, that's new.
So, where's the Have a safe trip.
Thank you.
I'll probably see you kids.
Yeah.
Bye, guys.
Huh? Okay.
Bye, guys.
Bye.
The other thing is when you actually talk back to the person, you probably heard it in one of the clips, and I'll play another clip after this, is when you talk to the person, it does break up sometimes. It's not super clear, and it could be my network, but it could also be the doorbell.
Hi there.
Hello?
Hi.
How are you?
I'm good.
Oh,
My name's GregglesTV. What is your name?
my name's GregglesTV. What?
My name is Michelle.
All right, so my name's GregglesTV. What?
My name is Michelle.
And then when you remove people and you're just looking at footage, like I'm going to show a time lapse that this creates, a 24-hour time lapse. The video is very clear, and you'll see for yourself right now. So overall, the camera is really nice. I definitely am pretty happy with it. It's not perfect, but it's better from what I've seen than most doorbell ring systems. What I do not really care for about, I wish they would improve with it, is the pixelated faces when people move around. Also, when you talk back and forth with someone, when you're outside and you're in front of the doorbell, you can actually hear your voice talk back. I don't like that. That needs to be fixed. But overall, the 24/7 recording, the face detection, people, familiar faces that it does, you know, especially if you have that person already in your alerts, is amazing. It's supposed to have the ability to ring all your Google Homes in your house. I don't think that's been fixed yet or worked on yet, but I know it's supposed to be coming. That would be really cool. So that way, if you can't hear the doorbell, at least your Google Homes will. So there's a lot of cool things to like about it. It's not perfect, like I said. If it was a graded A through F, F being the worst, A being the best, I'd probably give it a B. I think there's room for improvement, but it still does a lot of things really well. The video's crisp and clear when it's nothing but, you know, just looking at stuff. And the video's generally clear overall when people are there, as long as they're not jumping around. So buy, try, don't buy. I would definitely say buy, especially if you're going to buy a ring, a doorbell, and you're in the mood to get one. The models that are out there are the Ring doorbells. You have other ones as well. I would definitely get this one. I just think it's overall, from what I've seen from other people's videos, the best one that you can get, and you'll see that in a lot of other people's reviews as well. So thanks for watching. If you want to pick it up, I'll link it down below, and I will see you down the road. Peace!